Yo, what's up guys? Today in this video, I'm playing Animal Company and I'm checking out the new monsters app. So, yeah. Um, I don't know what, monster it is, so I'm prepared. Yo, where'd I go? Bro. Oh. What is that? I hear something. What is that? Oh, it's so cute. Oh, yo, what the bro, what is that? No, get off me! Get off me! Bro, what is that? Oh. That was hecka scary. Bro, that was insane. Alright, go this way. Oh. Spider? Yo, why is Spider in these caves? How does he even see me? Alright, I'm assuming I go this way. Nope, I'm wrong. And I think it's smaller than usual. Alright. Where do I go? Yo. What? Yo. Teleport in this water? Why do I have two grapplers? Yo. What is this? Can I eat it? No. Can I put it in our bag? Yo, I can. Oh wait, I can swim. Oh, isn't... where's my grappler? Oh. I'm going to fill my bag with these strange lights. I think that should be good enough. Alright, do I go over here now? this? Just so I can swim more? Where does this lead to? Left or right? Right is always right, right? It's a dead end. I guess it's left. More water. Oh, so scary. What is it? Does this hurt me? Ow. It does. No. Ow. No, ow. 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 So close to dying. More water. Let's go. That's so. Oh my. What is that? Can I kill it? I guess not. Take this. Ugh. Oh! No, can I have that back, please? Dang it, it just ate my... It ate my freaking... Just burped in front of my face. Can I feed this to him? Ugh. Oops. Can I have this back? Thank you. Oh, I accidentally gave him my backpack. No. He just ate my backpack again! How dare you? Alright, I think that's good enough. Oh. What is that? Ow, ow, no, don't eat me, don't eat me. Yo, what did I do? Bro, try to eat me. What's this? Can I stick it with this? What's this? Is this blue? Yo, that is so cool. Alright, can I put this in my bag? Oh, I can. Alright, don't eat my backpack. Oh! Thank you for... I will be taking this. like the jellyfish thingy, whatever they are. Oh yeah. I am out of here. I don't want that monster to eat. Oh, wait, so I came from here or there? Is that a fan? It's an invisible wall. It. Alright, oh. Going back home. Yeah! Alright. That is so cool. You can now I have glue in my backpack. Oh, yeah, what is it called? It's goop. Wow. No. I guess it disappears with dash. Anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing because 80% of you are not subscribed. Bruh. Alright. Please consider subscribing. This is all for the video. Okay, anyways, bye.